Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Google Lenses to translate live text via your camera. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use your Google Lens to translate live text via your camera, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Google Lens. Once you tap open your Google, you can find your Google Lens right over there. So simply tap on the camera like icon and tap on open camera. Once you have done this, you need to show your camera to the text you want to translate, and you can find the translate button right on your screen. Simply tap on the translate button and you can see that the detected text is now translated to the preferred text you want. So by doing this, you can simply show your Google Lens camera to any of the object or any of the text you want to show, and it will then simply detect that particular text and help you translate it. So I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.